Here's how to pause activity streaks in watchOS 11. Apple is going to release watchOS 11 soon, which is going to allow you to take a rest day. The fitness tracker has offered users to close their activity rings since 2015, but it's always cut the streak short if they don't hit the goal, even if they had a good reason. watchOS 11 is set to allow you to pause your activity rings for a period, which you can pick up when you've recovered or it's safe to do so. If you're concerned about how to pause activity streaks in watchOS 11, GadInsider's got it covered for you. While much of your Apple Watch can be interfaced with by utilizing the Watch app on your iPhone, you can't do this directly on the Apple Watch with watchOS 11. First, open the Fitness app on your Apple Watch. Tap the Summary button in the top left corner. That's the bar graph. Scroll down using the display or the digital crown and select Pause Rings. You can then select from options for today, until Monday, until next month, or set a custom date. Moreover, you can pause your activity rings using our iPhone too. If you're using iOS 18, launch the Fitness app, tap the Activity Ring section, scroll down and press the green Pause Rings button. Again, you'll get options for today, until Monday, until next month, or set a custom date. There are a lot of reasons you might need to pause your activity rings. For one, you might be traveling, and a long-haul flight is less than ideal for getting your steps in, no matter how many times you march up and down the cabin. Additionally, it can be useful when you're recovering from an injury or even just strenuous exercise the day before.